Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the cooked chicken. Shred or dice until you have 3 cups of cooked chicken. Use 1 cup mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons lemon juice to bind and brighten the salad, and mix until evenly coated. Add 1/4 cup sweet pickle relish and 1/4 cup diced celery for texture. Season with 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, then taste and adjust by small increments. Keep ingredients cold while mixing to maintain a fresh, creamy texture and safe food temperature. Customize the base with mix-ins that define familiar styles. Fold in 1/2 cup halved grapes and 1/4 cup chopped pecans for the classic chick sweet style, gently tossing so fruit and nuts distribute without crushing. For Southern-style flavor, add 1 tablespoon sugar and 1/2 teaspoon onion powder to introduce mild sweetness and savory depth. For a spicy version, mix in 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard and 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, then taste and balance with extra mayonnaise if heat overwhelms the profile. Portion and present the salad for consistent servings. Serve 3/4 cup chicken salad per sandwich and 1/2 cup over a salad for a light meal. Use croissants, sliced bread, or butter lettuce as carriers. Toast bread lightly for contrast. Chill the salad at least 1 hour before serving to let flavors meld and thicken the dressing. When storing, transfer to an airtight container and keep at 40 degrees F or below. Store leftovers in the fridge for up to 4 days and discard if any off odor appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.